Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the cameras and a controller. Add 2 camera objects and position them where you need the views. Make one active in the inspector. Then add an empty game object and name it camera controller so you have a single place to attach logic. Once done, create a C# script named camera switcher and open it. This is where you'll reference both camera components and decide how and when to swap from one to the other. You'll implement a concise switch method. In camera switcher, declare public camera cam A and cam B, then in start assign default active states, typically cam A. Enabled equals true and cam B, enabled equals false. Write a public void toggle camera that flips those enabled flags or assigns camera. Main via tag logic depending on your needs. Use input. Get key down or hook into game events to call toggle camera. Make sure to reference the actual camera components in the inspector before testing. You finish by wiring and testing. Attach camera switcher to camera controller and drag cam A and cam B into their slots, then enter play mode and trigger the switch. If the view doesn't change, inspect camera depth and clear flags so the intended camera renders on top, and confirm culling masks include the objects you expect. Also verify only one audio listener exists. Multiple listeners can mute things or cause warnings. If it still misbehaves, reopen the script to confirm you toggled, enabled on the camera component, not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.